Ever wondered what the global AI resolution is all about? Today, we're going to unpack this fascinating topic. The global AI resolution is a monumental decision made by the United Nations General Assembly to navigate both the challenges and opportunities presented by artificial intelligence. At its core, it encourages nations to focus on several key factors related to AI. Let's delve deeper into those. First up, safeguarding human rights. The resolution underscores the vital importance of ensuring that the development and use of AI systems respect and protect the same rights we enjoy offline, extending these guarantees into the digital realm. Next, the resolution advocates for trustworthy AI. This means building AI systems that are not just safe and secure, but also reliable. The goal here is to create AI systems that benefit humanity and expedite progress towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Recognizing the disparity in technological development between nations, the resolution also calls for collaboration and support for developing countries. This is about ensuring that access to AI is inclusive and equitable, bridging the digital divide and enhancing digital literacy across the globe. And finally, the cherry on top, this resolution is historic. It marks the first time the General Assembly has directly addressed the regulation of AI. This is a significant leap forward in promoting responsible use of AI on a global scale. To sum it all up, the Global AI Resolution by the United Nations is a major milestone. It serves as a reminder that while AI offers immense potential, we need to harness it responsibly, ethically, and in a manner that benefits everyone. And with that, we wrap up today's discussion. If you found this information valuable, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.